Alright, so I put a board on it. Just for the heck of it, and like a little adapter thing. I was gonna trying to make something. I wasn't sure what. I was thinking maybe like a cat or something, but I didn't. I just put that on there. And if I ever decide to build anything, I could add to it. So right now I'm unwrapping the lights. See if they'll hold. If not, we're in trouble. I'll break them off doing this. You gotta be really careful, because that glue is still spongy. Take the magnet off. That helps hold it. Push that down, pull that string out. Hold that down, pull the string out. Again. Something here. And that's wanting to come off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that light in. Yeah, that's not secured all the way. So I'm going to leave that hooked up. Unwrap it from my freaking steel cap. Maybe it'll hold itself. Yeah, it's holding. Alright. For now. So I'm going to put the other light bulb in and let that set. So I'll push it in some more. Alright, yeah, once it dries, it'll be fine. Alright, light bulbs are connected. Now I just gotta let it finish drying. That's what it looks like. A little messy, but all in all, it'll work. So before I start it, I gotta let that dry. Blow on it a little bit. I'm going to put some extra glue on there. I just got glue all over my fingers. If it ain't dried up, it's pretty much dried up. Just about. There we go. And put a bunch of glue on there. Gorilla glue. Put a bunch more glue there. Make sure we have enough, maybe overkill enough to hold it. Hold the light fixtures. You want it to come off again because that glare is loosened up the inside. Alright, maybe it'll hold. I'm going to pull the key out of it. Lay it on the machine. So now it's just a waiting game. And hope it don't fall off. But that's what it looks like, a big mess. Try to get it dried up some. So, got a little bit of glue on this light here. We'll wipe that off carefully. Wipe it on my pants. Alright. So, should be good for now. I'm gonna put that air filter back on it. Try to, without knocking the lights over. Oh, I know I gotta clean it, doggone it. Gotta clean the air filter. Smells good. This is the original air filter, or the real filter. Here's a pre-cleaner. I'm gonna wash this and let that dry, and I'll get back with you later. See you in the next video.